Alright, during this video, I'm going to be putting you in the flow state, and I'm going to be helping you with one of my own personal meditations, and one of the meditations I use to chill out and just flow and get into the flow state. Alright, no stress, no second thoughts, you just flowing, alright? So one thing I want you to do is chill out, take a deep breath, bro. Let the meditation music roll, you feel me? But nah, for real though. Really, just be yourself, bro. Be yourself in this reality that you in, okay? Be yourself and calm down, alright? Calm down. Whatever that you tripping about, whatever that you stressing about, it's not that serious, okay? So in order to pursue your creativity at the best amount, in order to be the best you have to be in the flow state. It has to be natural to you, okay? These videos are natural to me because I'm in the flow state. Sometimes they don't even feel like I'm recording. Sometimes it just feel like I'm talking to myself, and it feel like this is what I've just been doing my whole life, okay? This is how you know I'm in the flow state. Ask yourself, when you do what you love doing, let's say it's a YouTube video, let's say working on art, let's say working on music, are you constantly tripping, thinking about, oh, how I'm gonna do this better? Or even during this meditation, are you chilling, or are you asking yourself, oh, how I'm gonna do this better? It's not about doing it better. It's about being chill, being in a flow state, all right? You just being natural, because this whole reality that we are in came from being natural, all right? We are natural beings, okay? Even when I say in my videos, if you feel like it's something that's keeping you from being natural, even if it's quitting your job because you feel like you can't pursue your best creativity because you giving your hard work hours that you would never get back to a job, and you want to quit that job and you feel like you're tripping, or you just scared to do something else, that's you really not being in a flow state. Flow. Don't let them second thoughts get to you. Don't let them second thoughts get to you. Calm down and just listen. When you calm down and listen to your brain, to your body, to your consciousness, you will see the difference between your conscious and your subconscious. You will literally get to put your ego on the spot. You will finally get to see what has been holding you back, alright? Now, when you align yourself and finally get in the flow state, and even just flow when you don't feel like it, even when you get up in the morning, like me, I got up in the morning and I just flowed. I didn't want to record the first video. By the second video, I was in a flow state, okay? So you have to learn how to get in a flow state. Find something you can do and think about something you can do to get into the flow state, because your flow state is the best state ever, okay? Can't fake it. A lot of y'all don't be where y'all need to be at in life, and y'all not aligned because you're trying to control life too much. And when something goes wrong, you give life a reaction that life can't even react to. Life doesn't react to you getting mad and putting your anger out. Life reacts to you being calm. Life reacts to you letting go. That what the universe reacts to. The universe is not gonna react and give you what you want. If the universe give you something and you get mad at it, no, that's an uneven trade. Alright? So I want y'all to really learn that you holding your emotions in, not you holding your emotions in, but when you feel, let's say that you want to do something and you're uncomfortable doing it and you don't want to do that, just because how you feel at the moment, that doesn't mean nothing, because the first time you're doing something, alright, cool, you might not feel like doing it, but the second, third, fourth time, now you're in a flow state. Appreciate that flow state, because your flow state is one of the best states ever. That's what's going to get you rich. Alright, now you ask yourself, why am I not rich? A lot of y'all have the brains to become rich. A lot of y'all have the power to become rich just like that. Boom. This month, if you listen up. But a lot of y'all have to learn this. A lot of the things that you see with your third eye, a lot of the imaginations you're seeing, a lot of the times you imagine a future you, if you do this and you really do this and you're just not agreeing because you're watching this video, If you really do this and tap in with your future self and talk to your future self, you are already somewhat aligned. All right. The only thing that you have to do is stick to that. All right. So you already know what most likely what you have to do to get to that point. You already know what you have to do, and I'm even helping you by getting into the flow state. You already know what to do. Don't stress it. Don't overthink it. Just do it. All right. So name one thing that's been holding you back. Name one thing that you've been afraid to do but won't let go. Let go. Because if you don't let go in life, you're basically dead. You living for no reason. No, it was things that I had to let go of, like my phone. Like I said, I let go of my tablet. I even let go of my TV. I let go of relations. I let go of friendships. I let go of any worldly desire that was holding me back. I had to let go of all of it to really reach the full potential into my natural state where I'm me the most. And yes, it's that serious. When you're on Instagram, when you're on these different social media apps like TikTok, and you're using them wrong to just scroll, you're forgetting how precious life is. You're not the natural you no more. You're just looking for the next dopamine hit. You're not the natural you no more that'll go out in the world and go create something to get that dopamine hit that you usually get on TikTok. You have to rewire your whole brain. So today I challenge you, whatever that's holding you back, whatever that's keeping you in the same reality that you do not like, name it. Whether it's friends, anybody, family, I don't care if it's your significant other. Don't look at them with a title. Look at them as energy. And whatever energy you don't want in your life, and this just doesn't goes for people, whatever energy that you know you have to get rid of to unlock the full potential of you, the natural you, take it away. Now, during this meditation, I'm here to align you back where you need to be at, and I'm here to also assure you about your reality. Now, once you finally take your first step, just know that you're aligned with the universe, and the universe got your back. You are not alone in whatever decision that you decide to make, okay? You are not alone, okay? So let's say that you want to take your first step into tapping into your creativity. And the first step is quitting your 9-to-5 job that you know that's been holding you back and keeping you looking at life from a slave perspective. And you're ready to make that change. And when you make that change, now you're having financial problems. The universe got you. I'm here to assure you, this is a part of the process. You will learn things that will create this powerful you, this future you that you're imagining in your head right now. The universe got you, and you are never alone. When I quit my job, when I made these changes in my life, everybody looked at me like I was crazy. And sometimes I felt crazy. Yes, sometimes I did have financial problems. Yes, sometimes I did doubt myself. Yes, sometimes that second voice did get in my head. But now, look at me. Now, look at me. How I escaped that was being in the flow, natural state. And I didn't understand at the moment that I always had the universe help. You always got the universe help. So whatever decision you want to make, don't let nothing hold you back. Don't let no fears hold you back. Calm down, think of your vision clear, and go get that bag.